Sit with your legs stretched forward. Keep them together or hip-width apart. Make sure you are sitting high up on your sitting bones. Inhale and reach with both arms toward the ceiling, arms parallel to your ears. As you exhale, bend forward, reaching with your hands toward your toes. Try to bring your chin to your shin bone. If you are unable to reach your toes, you can hold your ankles, shins, or even your knees. Rest your elbows on the floor. Keep your head and neck relaxed. Feel the extension in your spine and a nice stretch in your hamstrings. To release the pose, breathe in and slowly raise your hands, head and abdomen. Bring your hands down,